past you at possibly a greater speed than you are doing. Please don't, this is serious, but I've been in this situation where we're trying to get in. So please don't block them, give them every chance of getting safely past. Pull over and be considerate to the masters and apprentices. Rally time is eastern summertime and have been checked and is down at the start control. Mobile phones are only to be used in emergency. It would be appreciated if they were left on in your vehicle so we can contact you if we need to, especially if you're running late or lost.
a Z board?
I could be a lot of things.
My favourite, another
Okay, Daddy. What sort of a run have you had today?
Oh, absolutely magnificent.
What car are you driving today?
I'm driving a 1968 BMW 222 Ti.
A very shiny one, as I remember.
No, well, full of dirt now. After 50 kilometers of dirt.
And who's navigating for you?
Tony Hudson.
Oh, right, you've pulled him out of retirement.
Yeah, out of retirement after, this is the first rally after 7 years of retirement.
How's he doing?
Very well, very good. We find out after the first day we are six. There's more six in our class, which is the apprentice. Is quite good.
Very good. Hello, Doug. What are you driving in the event today?
I'm driving the green 911.
How's it going?
Well, it's missing a headlight now after the dirt roads. It's now the one-eyed Kermit.
I'm going to say, some people are happy with their result,
Yes.
some are devastated. But you know what? It just goes with the flow.
Don't
Is he holding me? Yes, what's he doing?
How's David going?
Great.
Is he?
Yes, a new husband. Why shouldn't he be going great?
Well, that's it.
And he's married to a very sexy wife, so why shouldn't he?
I've heard that.
That's the cover for the next magazine.
Well, this is actually a movie,
Ah, right,
so
okay.
you could have a problem there.
Well, yeah, can you take a still out of it for me?
So, how's your run?
More challenging than I thought, having just seen the scores. We're having a really nice day, enjoying it, trying not to think about the scores.
How's Bob going?
We work really well as a team. Always good. Always good.
I'm the dreaded Bob Moore.
The dreaded Bob Moore.
Correct.
And what dreaded vehicle are you driving?
This would be a BMW 318 IS.
Right. And how many classic rally events have you done?
Oh, about 6, I'm guessing.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and are you enjoying this event?
Within reason. Some excellent roads, lovely countryside.
And?
Good challenge.
Mm-hmm. How's your navigator been going?
He's challenged.
You still speaking to him? Hey, you're Westy.
Hi there.
And you're in the mighty P76.
Yes, we are.
How are you enjoying the P76?
It's wonderful. The cocktail cabinet works quite well.
All right.
Yeah, so we're really happy about that.
Ah, excellent. And Garth's keeping you out of trouble?
Well, the wine spills on tight corners.
Oh dear.
It's such a problem.
Very sad. So how's it going in the pink Saab?
The pink and yellow Saab
Yes.
is going very, very well. We have a slight problem next to the steering wheel.
What's that, Mike Stevenson?
Yeah, Mr. Stevenson forgot to wake up this morning.
Did he?
Until about 10:15, I think it was.
Really?
By which time we were already 14 kilometres on the wrong road.
I see.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Minor details.
Minor details, and I've only kicked him in the head twice for it. I think he deserves more. But we'll give it to him in good, slow time.
Do we have right of reply, Mike?
We were both asleep this morning.
Ah, I see. Okay. So, David, how's the Sunbeam going?
going pretty well. It's a bit warm.
Tomo behaving himself?
Yes, he is.
How's the navigation?
Navigation today, I'm doing okay.
What about
I had a
yesterday?
few issues.
Are you enjoying yourself?
Yeah, it's always great fun.
Oh, that's good. And did you say the sunbeam's a bit warm?
It is sitting in the open today,
Yeah. Right.
So it's great to be warm and not wet.
That's true. David tells me the sunbeam's pleasantly warm.
It is. You're getting the colour of my nose?
Yes, I am.
Dead right.
Yes.
And I'm using sunscreen, Mum.
And how's David performing?
Very well. He's spending less time on the phone than he normally speaks. I think he must have relinquished some of the control of the work ethic. Or his kids have stopped playing soccer, one of the two, I'm not quite sure.
Right.
So more concentration's going on in navigation as opposed to Facebooking people, which is always an advantage I find in these sort of places.
So Shane, how's the Porsche going?
Oh, the Porsche's going great.
Yeah?
Bit uncomfortable on the dirt roads, but other than that, excellent.
Nice black car and all that dust too.
Plenty of power, lovely note.
And what about Jan? Is she going okay?
Yeah, she's doing the mapping quite well. She's enjoying it this time.
Very good.
Average speed went well, I think. We'll find out in the long run.
Okay.
Yeah, good.
So how's the Carmen gear going, mate?
Very well.
Yeah?
Very well. It's struggling on the hills.
Oh, poor little thing. And what about Star? How's she going?
Star?
Yeah. This one over here.
That one.
Yeah.
How's he going?
More to the point, is he making you horse, dear?
Absolutely horse.
Hasn't he been obeying instructions?
No, I don't even know the instructions myself.
But did you have a good time?
Absolutely.
And what were you driving this time?
I wasn't.
Oh, you weren't, of course. What car were you in?
I was in the Infinity that my wife was driving, that we've used in the last couple of events. Definitely need a vehicle that's able to keep up with the pace required in this event.
Fair enough. And the driver in question?
Oh, yes.
How did you go, Wendy?
Well, I think.
Poorly. Okay.
We're hoping so.
Well, what about the car? Did the car go well?
The car handled beautifully.
That's very good. Did you like Hill End?
Yes. It was quite the adventure.
A lot bigger than what I thought it was going to be.
A lot bigger than what 35 years ago.
So my point is, if you can't be good, at least look.
When are you going to do that?
I can't.
I thought you were referencing yourself.
Oh no, I
couldn't possibly be referencing the car.
I always look at the car. Just is amazing.
Even the locals noticed the pink and yellow Saab.
The ice cream.
Yeah.
Neapolitan ice cream machine.
The Alpha go.
Mate, fantastic. What can you say? Love it. Done a lot of rallies.
How's your navigator going?
Oh, pretty bad.
Yeah?
It was one of his worst ones, but hey,
Really?
I'm smiling.
Okay, Tim, so here we are at the finish of the Alpine. How did you go?
Had a fantastic weekend.
Very good. What were you driving?
That was a Mini Cooper S. Very reliable. We had no problems at all. Just kept churning away over the kilometres, over the dirt road, bumps and all.
Who's been navigating for you?
Ron Cooper. Ron's been navigating for me for 15 years. We've partnered each other. We've both shared driving and navigating duties together, on and off, so it's been great.
Excellent.
For Ross is a jolly good fellow, for Ross is a jolly good fellow, for Ross is a jolly good fellow, especially if you'll come first.
And how many controls have you done before, Mark?
This is my 16th year and I've done 4 controls a year, so quite a few.
So you're a bit of a learner then?
Yes, I'm learning every rally I learn something new. And usually the competitors are the ones teaching me, or trying to.